Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Install It Right. In this video, I will show you how to install Cursor IDE on Windows 11, and we will also build a sample project called Pomodoro Timer app using Cursor AI with React and Tailwind CSS. So it's quite simple project. So let's start the video. Open your web browser and type Cursor IDE and press enter. Now click on the very first link. That's the official site cursor.com. Now you will see download button right on the web page. Click on that download button. Here you will see sections for macOS, Windows and Linux. Now click on the download for Windows x64. That's the normal option. Once the download start, wait for it to finish. After it's done, now click on the downloaded setup file and wait for it. Now accept the agreement and click next and set as default. Click next, click next, click next and click install and wait for a few seconds. Now after it's finished, click finish. After installation, open the start menu and search for cursor and press enter. When cursor open for the first time, it will ask you to sign in. You can use your Google or GitHub account. After login, you will see the main screen. It looks like VS Code but with built-in AI. At the right corner, you will see the AI chat. We will use to build a Pomodoro Timer app using React and Tailwind CSS. Now, before starting our project, we need to create a folder to keep all our files. I have already created a folder named sample project. So I won't create it again, and that's it. Our project folder is ready. Before that, I'm quickly setting up React and Tailwind CSS. If you want a detailed video on how to set up it up, please comment below. I will try to make one for you. Now we will use Cursor AI to build our Pomodoro Timer app. Click on the right AI chat, type the prompt that I have mentioned in the description. Once you press enter, Cursor AI will automatically start generating the project for us. Just wait for a few seconds while it completes the setup. You will see the project has successfully completed by Cursor AI. Now type npm start to see the output. Now you will see the working Pomodoro Timer app on your screen. It's ready with the timer, start, pause, or reset button. Look like clean and simple. And that's it for today's tutorial. We installed Cursor IDE, explored its AI features, and build a simple React plus Tailwind project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding or software installation tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.